So now just let's try to go for authorization purpose. We should be go for to write authorization purpose. What is authorization purpose? For this, we can try to take the help of JWT request filter. Filter extending once per request filter. So now observe that so many things it comes up. What is this? Here, do filter internal guys. Do filter internal. Here itself we try to configure util class and user data service class and everything. As a data auto. Next, my user data service. As a data auto white. Like this. Okay. Here you can try to perform what I can try to perform, guys. Internal operation, guys. Right. Let's try to start the writing. So here, request and response. Here you can write get authorization. Because dot get header. Authorization header. So you can try to specify authorization header. Use a finder like this. Username and JWT, sir. Please, let's try it right here. This is the pre-processing and post-processing logic. And here I can write like username equal to null, JWT equal to null. Then started the barrel. I told you then authorization header, then barrel space like this. Now, till now is fine, sir. Here, what I can do that after this one, I want the barrel space authorization header you'll provide, right? I'll show you the practical, you'll understand, sir. JWT authorization header, we should be remove it. Header dot substring method. I specify 7 like this. User name equal JWT util dot extract username JWT like this. This is the way you can try to perform the operations. Simple. Right. Good. Now, what I can do this now. So the user extract username and JWT tokens. Along this, just remove this 7. Then you can try to have the token, enter the token here. Then now you can try to check the here. Username not equal to null. Get authenticated. You can try to write it. Authentication. If username not equal or null, So context header, context folder dot get context method, get authentication. So you're not required to type all these things, are just మీకు step by step చేయాలని చేస్తున్నా కానీ లేదంటే రన్ చేస్తే అయిపోద్దండి. You understand here. That's it. Good. Now here authenticate here user details service is there, right? Here load by username. Name. You can try to specify username. That's it, sir. This is the way. Yes, I can. Then what is the return type? User details, no doubt. Done. So here, now we can try to validate the token. Here we are trying to validate the token is generated. But whenever you're trying to access the hello application, then should be valid, sir. Should be validate. If JWT util dot because we have valid token method there itself, right? We written there only. What we are trying to token we are passing. User details we are passing. What user details we are passing. Right. Then once you pass everything, then here you can try to check that username password authentication token. So actually, this is the predefined class name, sir. This is the predefined class. The predefined, sir. I'm not writing my own. Here you can try to say user details dot comma and get authorities. That. Perfect, sir. This is a predefined, sir. Look at now. Predefined. So implementation that is designed for sample presentation of username and password. That's it. Then using this ut dot set token, set details. What information you try to set in? So web authentication details source dot build details and username password authentication. All these operations you try to perform, sir. Is a fixed way of writing, guys. Web authentication service conversion to sure. Authentication to your service. Okay. Right. Web details source. Then you can try to go for no. Like this. Now they get the context object and other set authentication. That's it. Security context folder dot get context set authentication, then UT. So whatever you're trying to fetching, then yes. Then this is the way, yes, it can try to perform the operation. So nothing is there. So right. So while you're performing these operations, I think is clear now. Then here I can use chain dot to filter. The chain dot to filter. Why chain filter the chain or filter? It move forward, sir. The request processing will be forward. That's it. The request and response object. So pre-processing and post-processing operation can be performed by filter. So why we are writing this one? Authentication, authorization purpose, sir. So where token is validate or not to perform the operation. For this only we are trying to writing, otherwise we never write, sir. So this is what we can try to say that. Sorry, till now everything is fine. Last and least one more is there. What is that? When first of all, when you are giving a request, then it should be authenticated or not. We should check, right? For that, we can try to go for to write web security config, final touch. Security config, web security config, extending and web security config adapter. Otherwise, you can try to ignore some, no issues. This is outdated 2.7.7 onwards, then even the same functionality, it will be applicable. So enable web security. Yeah. You can write here user data service and request filter, everything. AWT request filter just now we return. Yes. Right. Then you can try to specify here. Then, sir, someone should be create object, right? Who will be create Spring Boot, sir. Write a component. Right. It. Then here you can try to specify private request filter. Then JWT request filter. Done. At the rate of auto wide. Then user details service. Where is the details service? My user details service. So this is the way you can try to perform the operation. Right. So my user details service, let me try to keep it. Details service. At the rate of auto wide. Right, sir. Then here you can try to go for what are operation you want, password encoder, and everything you can try to specify, sir, whatever you wanted. I mean, authentication manager, bean, yes, whatever you want, you can try to write it. It's not a matter. Okay, generally, then Shiva, let's click here. Then get password
ఆయన
authentication.
చేస్తారులే. బానే ఉంది. ఎందుకు బాలేదు?
Mute చేయమ్మా, please.
బానే ఉందమ్మా.
Then the user service delegator, everything will be there. Simply. Here you can try to specify configure global method. Just you can try to have configure global authentication manager builder. Authentication manager builder. Right. Now you can write authentication done user details service. Right. Just you can try to specify whatever user details service you're having here. Yeah. Then return. So when you're returning, throws exception, no doubt. Here you can try to write return. Oh, okay, okay. White keyword, right? Okay, sorry. Like this. Just throws application. Right. Done. So my user details service like this. Next, auto wide. Right. Next one, password encoder. Then password encoder, you know that password encoder. And the close, right? Return. So get instance like this. Password encoder. That fine. So up here is fine, sir. Then bean. So now you can try to go other authentication manager bean. Then trying to calling the existing one. So here, once you write like this, then you can try to go for configure method. Okay. Then configure as a security method. Just to get to other URL based on protected, wide, configure, then HTTP security. Then, so here you can try to start writing some ESRF, then disable authorize request, authorize request. Then you can try to write and matcher. Then you can try to specify what exactly you want to make authenticated. Yeah. Then permit all. So once you authenticated, I want to provide any request, then authenticated. Any request should be authenticated. Whatever request it comes should be authenticated, sir, no doubt. Then exception handling. Right. Exception handling dot and that session management. Session creation policy. Policy. Okay. The stateless. Dot stateless. The fixed way of writing, sir, nothing is there here. Then add filter before. Just you can try to use here filter before. There will request filter, username and password authentication. So just you can try to call that's kind of stuff. Declaration. Yeah. Yeah. User name, password, authentication filter. That. So this is this much of process it should be follow, guys. Done, sir. Simple hello world application. Are you observe that, guys? How much process you should be performed the operation, guys, please? Look like simple or not, guys? And sorry, look like hello world, right? Just after all, hello world application. But then I think you observed how much process is there here. Yes or no, guys? Right. This is the point we should be keep in mind when you are performing these operations. I think is there. Let me run it. Formula. Test controller. Test security. Noise. So filter. Authentication. Authentication manager. That's okay, let me run it, guys. How applications. Let me run this application then. Perfect. Is running self, right? Let me open the postman. This is the best process. Guys, observe that, please. Here, what I'm doing is, yeah. First, let's try to go for hello, sir. What will happen? We'll observe the guys. It should be colon local host. Then let me check the. Are you having any properties? 9090. Okay. 9090. Then just assume that request First, first. Please observe the guys. Hello. Just I'm trying to accessing hello. So here observe that. Yes. What is this? Unauthorized. Why? Forbidden. Forbidden it means that the person is unauthorized to access. Then what I can do there, guys, in this case? Can I go for the post, guys? Can I go for the post? Then Then you can try to use authenticate. What I can do that, guys? Authenticate. Just now we discussed, right? Authenticate. Now, Control C. Then you can try to specify authenticate. So, guys, authenticate. Here, basic authentication. So here you can try to specify admin, admin at the data of 123. But here, as a JSON format, we have to send the data or not, guys, please. What way can try to send the data? JSON format. Right. Here, you can try to send the data. User name, colon, admin. Admin at the data of 123. So forbidden. Why? 1 minute, sir. What is the username and password is specified, guys? Oh, small letter, huh? Okay, got it. Good. See now, guys, please. JDB token is generated or not? This is my JDB token. Let's try to keep this one token in the notepad. See, once the authentication is completed, right? The token is generated. Got it, guys? Once the token is generated, let's go to the next step. HTTP colon local host 90 hello. So here, right, authorization. So value error like this. That's it. That's a error only, right, guys? Let me check that. The rest of Just welcome. Authorization. This is what I mentioned. Authorization. Where VARER. VARER. Okay. VARER. Okay, fine. Now, till now is perfect, sir. Then here, authorization is done. Then what is that password, sir? Admin at the rate of 123. Now the token should be valid, sir. Look at now. Error is coming. It means that the token is not authenticated. Yes or no, guys? Then the token is not authenticated. Let me try to go for once again. Admin at the rate of 123. Yes, token is generated. Control C. Then kernel comes to here. Header format. Then Token generating. Till now is perfect. Hello. Right? Token is generated. Every time the token will be generated, sir. Control C. Then here what I'm doing is token host 9090. Hello. That authorization. Authorization. Right. Admin data 1 to 3. No. Small a. Okay. Then along with the token, sir, we have to send the data. That's it. Here. Then that's it. Then somewhere giving errors, sir, actually should become the output. Okay. So this is the way you can try to run it. 100% works, sir. Just try it, and otherwise I'll check it once again. I'll tell you that. So this is the way the token will be generated based on the username and password. This is what we can think of it. Where it's getting error. That's it. Okay. I'll check it. So this is the way the token will be generated. Once the token is generated, we should be go such a way that to access, admin. SOP రాసాం కదమ్మా దానికి సంబంధించింది label true. True. Not granted any other activities. Okay, anyway. I hope you got it, guys. కొద్దిగా అర్థమైందా